I was Kirby, and Harry is gonna be Samus.
Buffy.
And Harry is
I'm picking this.
for the computer is gonna be Olimar. Plus. Let's see if she's gonna win. She's gonna pick. I don't know what she's gonna pick. The Pokemon Stadium.
I don't.
And how is Samus? Does he don't remember.
Oh, her got the sound just like me. That's me. That's me. That's me. That's me. That's me. You're gonna miss me. You're missing me. Hey! What talk?
I don't know what to say.
Said, hey folks, you like how they did?
No, I don't, because Harry sucks in this game. But she's still good. She's 6 years old, she's still good. No, wait, don't use it yet, Harry. Go!
Go!
Kamehameha wave. Super Kamehameha.
I'm the girl.
I hate the girl. But
The
girl is, that's not true. The girl, Zero to Samus, she's faster than Samus, so she's more athletic.
I'm fast too.
So she's still good.
I'm fast too.
I met the character.
I know, but I'm fast too.
You're not. Oh, I need to get some. She's 6 years old, she didn't die with 152%. Whoa. And Olimar has 50. 158. That was a tray. I don't like standing up and recording.
Gonna get it. Okay,
Yeah, she does.
Olimar can get it.
No, get out of there.
We're going down. I can go up.
And she got saved. And Olimar has
7.
3 lives, and she has 3. So it's a fair match against Heather
Except Piggy.
and no.
Piggy right there, and look, he killed her face.
Oh, cute little face. Oh, that's cute.
He got slow motion.
How long is this battle gonna go?
We don't know. 100 days.
100 days.
100 days.
That would be 2 months and a half. No, wait.
I'm old. I'm old.
31 and 2/3, yeah.
Okay.
2 and 3. Oh, get that Pokeball. It's Torchic. Hey, Harry, here's a hint. Make him go all the way to Torchic.
Oh, he left. So,
Torchic left?
look, yeah.
Bubble.
Water. Move. Oh, you got it. And again.
And she dies.
So I got 2. Oh, and I got again.
Shirley has one more life. Could she win?
Almost.
But how to press plus
Plus.
and move it down.
Well, why don't you show your boobs?
Big boobs. And big butt. As you can see. Now she's
And I have
covering.
pretty hair.
Okay, now you can play.
Oh,
Will she lose against the worst player in the game?
ice cream. You got my ice cream.
Get the star.
There, you're getting my ice cream again. I will hit you in my butt.
Get that Pokeball.
Poke you.
Oh, he got it. He got it. How did I get out of there? He died.
And he won.
You died.
No, I won because I'm him.
Oh.
I won.